There is something beyond our imagination about why we are here. Everyone comes from the essence of love and energy, and through that we share with the world around us. Today I cycle from Mukono to Kampala, reflecting on the service, life, and journey we take not just on the road but in our hearts. Yeah, it's a Sunday morning again. And I'm back on the road. The good thing is that every Sunday the road is a bit clear. So it's better for us always who live in Kampala to cycle around, even taking on road on Sundays. The road is cool and the wind against my skin, and each pedal forward reminds me that every day we learn something new. Yesterday, I was in Kiyindi with my fellow Rotarians, serving expectant mothers. Today, I carry that experience with me. A month ago, we visited Kiyindi Hospital and saw the challenges expectant mothers faced. Some travel long distances, even from the Buvuma Islands, to deliver safely. We decided to act.
Hello everyone, my name is Mazisha Dranakamia. I am a Rotarian and I'm at home of Rotary, that's Rider Hotel, Namiliango Road. This is where we sit every Thursday, 7 p.m. And today we are going for a survey. Our main cause is to make sure that we provide kits for mothers for safe delivery. I want to call upon everybody to join the good cause and be part of us. Thank you everyone. I love you all.
This is Dr. Christine, Magical President, Rotary Club of Seeta. We are here today as we are going to Kiyindi.
Hello, this is Rotarian Magara Sarah from RC Seeta, and here with me with Rotarian Dora Ogwang, and we are at Makonge Health Center 3 in Kiyindi.
On the 22nd of February, we are going to have a fundraiser at Rider Hotel Mukono. It's going to be a Saturday, by the way, and Rotarians and also non-Rotarians are paying 50,000. Rotaractors are paying 30,000 Ugandan shillings. So please come and let's support the maternal health. That's all I can say.
Hi everybody, my name is Dennis Adrole from the Rotary Club of Seeta. Today I bring to you good news. We are going to have a Safe Motherhood Delivery Project at a health center in Kiyindi. It's called Makonge Health Center 3. We have interacted with the medical personnel at the health center. We have visited the health center a number of times, and we have done a needs assessment of the things that we require to make the mothers very happy as they give delivery, and also to make them very safe in the delivery process. During our inspection, we realized that there is a need for a number of things. The furniture needed a little bit of repair, so we identified the pieces that we need to work on to ensure that when the mothers arrive, they have a comfortable sitting area where they can wait to be attended to through the various stages of delivery. We visited the delivery facility, and we realized that they also need a baby warmer. So we are in preparation to provide a baby warmer. But most importantly, to help them deliver very nicely and very safely, we realized that they need support through Safe Mother delivery kits. So the kit contains all the little things that they need during the delivery process, like gauze, like razor blades, like pampers, and so on and so forth. It's quite a number of items that will be packaged as one and given to them to have a successful delivery. We also realized that the building in which all these activities take place needs a touch-up. The paint had aged and some of the signages were becoming unclear. So we prioritized painting of the building to give a very nice and comfortable feel to the mothers as they come to deliver. They are welcomed with a very clean and nice environment. 22nd, which is Saturday, has been set aside. The teams have been mobilized. We have had several meetings with the management, and all is set. The mothers have been identified, and come Saturday, we join hands in celebrating the power of Rotary through giving help. We shall be handing over these safe delivery kits directly to the mothers in the presence of the hospital personnel and administrators and the community at large. Drives have been made in the community to inform them, and mobilization has also been done to ensure that those that need the kits as a priority are there and receive them first. It will be on a first come, first serve basis, but also based on selection by the medical personnel to ensure that those who need the kits most, in other words, those who are closer to delivery, are prioritized to those who maybe got pregnant last night. So we are going to ensure that we prioritize those who are closer to delivery, are able to get the kits and are able to deliver. This is our time to make a difference in the lives of those who need it most. Thank you.
With the leadership of our project director Rotarian Dennis and our president Christine, and the support of fellow Rotarians with friends and well-wishers, we collected over 100 mama kits for these mothers.
So our dear members of Rotary Club of Seeta and our close friends from the nearby Rotary clubs, today, 22nd of March, 2025, is the day that will bring joy and happiness to the people of this facility. This is Wikwe District, Kiyindi specifically, Town Council, and Makonge Health Center 3. Yes, what we're here to do today is to put a smile on the faces of the mothers. It is a maternal and healthcare project, and we selected this health center to ensure that we take care of the mothers who are about to give birth. So we thought of a wise idea of improving the look of their facilities. As you can see, it has a fresh look. So sponsored by these people and all our colleagues and friends. Let's clap for each other. So this wonderful work has been done by all of you and all those others that we are representing. So today we have safe delivery kits that we're going to give the mothers, such that when time comes to give birth, they have everything they need to have a safe and happy delivery. So as you can see, we have been overwhelmed by the numbers. We have a large number of mothers. That means there is actually need for what we are doing. We are very glad. We are representatives of the entire Rotary International, and we're here as Rotary Club of Seeta to bring joy to the people of Kiyindi. Thank you very much. Yeah, so members, as you can see, all the furniture here is fresh. Fresh. And this is all the work of your hands. So we thank you all for enabling Rotary Club of Seeta to achieve this. Look at this desk. It's quite, it has a new fresh look. And this is all done by Rotary Club of Seeta. Yes. So the time we visited this place, all the paint was peeling and was really not very welcoming to the mothers. So we thought it wise, because this is the area where mothers are received when they arrive. So we chose to upgrade it such that when they come, they feel welcome, they feel comfortable, and they feel they're in the right place. So this is what we have managed to achieve as a group. And you can see, you can even take your height if you want. Thank you very much. We also have plans for providing a baby warmer when the mothers have just given birth. Currently, there's only one. I'll speak slowly. Currently, there's only one baby warmer. So we are planning in the next few months to see that we can provide them a second baby warmer. Seriously, registering those who are about to deliver first.
Yesterday, we handed over, and seeing the gratitude in their eyes reminded me of what means to be human. To serve without expecting gratitude, but instead to feel fulfillment within. As I cycle towards Kampala, the road teaches me something new. Life changes. Yesterday was hot. Today is cool. Change is constant, and so is the power of movement.
Yeah, I've actually stopped here to have some breakfast. Then I actually proceed to where I'm heading to. I remember when I was still young, whenever it used to rain, they used to tell us that the lion is giving birth. So it's raining, and at the same time it's sunny. I don't know whether another lion is giving birth. That is how our knowledge is stored. It is always stored in our oral tradition, whereby it moves through one generation to another, and it's actually encrypted in our DNA. That's the beauty of understanding more of African history. Kampala is a very nice city. It's very cool, more especially on Sundays. There is no commotion. You can actually pedal around freely. It's nice.
I reach Lubiri, where cyclists gather for a race. Funcycling Uganda, life cyclers, and many others. It's not about the ride, it's about unity, passion, and purpose.
So we're here registering for the family fun ride, not a race.
We're also delighted with the adults participating in the family fun ride.
In 20 years, the babies born safely through our efforts will be adults. They will walk, they will run, and maybe even cycle like us. We are planting trees today for the better tomorrow. This is what we call upon the fathers, the mothers, and the communities to move, to serve, and to change lives.
Oh, sorry. Hey, how have you recognized?
I've been seeing your videos on TikTok.
Hey. What's your name? Alpha Grace. So guys, I've met one of my followers on my TikTok account and even YouTube. He's called Alpha.
Every journey has a purpose. Every pedal stroke carries a story. Yesterday we served, today we ride, and tomorrow the lives we touched will move forward, stronger, healthier, and fulfilled with hope. This is the power of movement. This is the power of service. And this is the power of unity. As Rotarians, as cyclists, as human beings, we live by one truth: service above self.